life in Tokyo Mandu. Right now I'm in Shibuya. I'm waiting for my friend. We have decided to have our lunch at TENYA. So this one is tempura shop.
It is a popular, reasonable and tasty tempura shop in Japan. So we just ordered some mixed tempura which contains fish, lady's finger, pumpkin and some other veggies.
This is tempura udon and that was the tempura and soba. So we mixed every onions and wasabi in the sauce like that. एकदम थोड़े So I'll start mine. So udon.
Ang kosto na ano ito. Ang motor na sa kami di block di arko.
Let's try.
8,000 lang, kusi lang.
Egg is a slut.
Our next destination is KitKat Chocolatory. Here we can make our own customized KitKat. Isn't that cool? Mouth-watering chocolate fountain. These are toppings that we use while making our KitKat. Let's choose 4 toppings from here.
Going for a chocolate surgery.
Here I'm cutting some wafers to put in my KitKat. Look at my artistic skills trying to decorate my chocolate. I gave the KitKat I made to the staff for it to set and they returned it after 30 minutes.
Have a break out of KitKat. Oh, KitKat.
As we all know that Japan is famous for its KitKat variety and even I got a chance to make this KitKat and I just forgot to record the tasting video of the KitKat, but let me tell you, the taste of the KitKat was really sweet and it was very delicious and I hope you really like my KitKat video. So let me know down in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. So see you next time. Sayonara.